Hey guys, today we're in the kitchen and we're going to be making some butterscotch brownies. We're going to switch it up a bit. Instead of the rich chocolate flavor of a brownie, we're going to use the butterscotch chips to make some butterscotch brownies. So I'm going to go ahead and let you take a look at the ingredients, and I'm going to go ahead and get started by cutting our butter into pats so we can get this tasty treat in the oven. See you in a bit. Okay, so I am finishing up cutting our butter into pats and then putting it into my saucepan here. Just have butter in there. Okay. And now we're just going to take our pack of butterscotch morsels here. And we're going to add those right into this pan. Right into the pan. So we only have butter and butterscotch morsels. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. Ooh, love the smell of butterscotch. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take these to the stove and we're going to get these heated up. Now you want to cook this on a low heat. Don't boil it, just a very low heat. So I have mine, I'll go ahead and set it. I have mine set to about 2. So you want to keep your eye on that and make sure you keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick and it doesn't scorch. Okay, I just want to give you a look at what our butterscotch is looking like. It is almost melted, and we have melted this on a low heat. We have our 1 stick of butter in here and 1 pack of butterscotch morsels. We want to just keep this moving until all our chips are melted, and we can remove this from the heat and let the heat finish melting the chips. I think it's safe to go ahead and cut this off, and we're going to move on to the next step while this cools down. Now we're getting ready to mix our sugar. We're going to take our brown sugar and we're going to take our 4 eggs. We'll get all 4 of those eggs into our bowl with our sugar. And we're going to mix this until it's light and fluffy. And as always, I like to crack my eggs separately from my main dish, just in case I have a bad egg. Okay, we have our mixer here. We're going to go ahead and get these all mixed up. Okay, our mixture is fluffy, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my vanilla extract. I have about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract that I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that right on in there. Let's give it a good mix. I'm gonna take our flour. We have our salt. We're gonna add it right in with our flour and our baking powder. And we're just gonna whisk those in very good together. And add those to the mixture. Oops, I almost forgot, guys. I need to go ahead and set my oven to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna do that now. Here, go ahead and give this a good mix. have about 2 cups of pecans here. And I'm going to go ahead and give them a rough chop. I'm just going to give them a quick little rough chop before adding them to our batter. Okay guys, and finally we're going to add our melted butter and butterscotch mixture. I'm going to go ahead and get that in there. You want to make sure it's cool before you add it to your batter. I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix. Okay guys, we're all done with our hand mixer here. We can remove that and we're going to finish this up by hand. When I tell you this smells amazing, oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. Alright, we're going to take our pecans here that we have chopped and we're going to add those right in there. Okay. I'm just going to fold our pecans in there. And this is ready for the oven. I have some baking spray that I'm going to spray my pan lightly with. And we're going to go ahead and get our batter into the pan. And these are our butterscotch brownies, and we're going to put these in a 350 degrees oven, and they're going to bake 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll see you when it's time to get these out of the oven. Okay guys, it's our butterscotch brownie, and we've got our knife and we're getting ready to go in here and get it all sliced up. Let me give you a close-up. Come on in here. All right. And we pick to go in and get us a nice slice of that brownie. So moist. Mmm. Mmm. That is so very moist. so delicious. This is so good, guys. This is a very nice twist on brownies. So guys, what I'm going to do, I have some individual bags here that I'm going to go ahead and bag my brownies up. And this is going to make it quick and easy for grab and go. Y'all, these brownies are so delicious and they're so moist. You're going to absolutely love these brownies. They're so good. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to keep life simple. And we're going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.